675 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 675. Therefore, 675 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 22.14566929125 feet. So, in other words, 675 centimeters equals 22.14566929125 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.